What's up, good people? Happy Monday and welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If during this video I say something that's helpful to you, then take that time to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. All right? All right, let's go from there. But if you've been rolling with me for a while, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. All right. So we got a lot to cover today. Just want you to know that this is brought to you by Stock Up You. Stock Up You. Go ahead and download the top link and learn from all of these ladies and gentlemen. Charting, options, dividends, fundamentals, all of that. Okay. Let's take the time to invest in ourselves first, and then I will talk about Moo Moo later. It is Moo Moo Monday. Let's get right into it. For those of you that have questions about ticker symbol HE, Hawaiian Electric, check out Saturday's video. Now that video will appear at the end of this video, in a box to your left. Okay. Also, too, there's going to be a video that's going to appear in your upper right hand corner, and I want everyone to see that. I want you to leave a comment on this video, and I want you to go over there and leave a comment on that video, because we are helping the citizens of Lahaina by way of Maui. Okay, we are helping. I want everyone to see that video. I want to get that up to 30,000 views at least. And the only way that's going to happen is you go ahead and comment. I will tell you about what's going on with me and YouTube at the end of this video. Let's get into some stock. There are a couple of things that I want to talk about. And the first one is this. Powell's speech to headline Fed summer gathering at Jackson Hole. That is going to be if he says the wrong thing, either way it goes, it could be a game changer. If he's more relaxed, more dovish in his talk, saying stuff like, hey, I don't see really no more interest rate hikes, inflation is not coming down to the point that I want it, but it's okay. If he start talking dovish like that, then the market will tend to do better. But if he gets really relaxed, because this is Jackson Hole and not an official FOMC meeting, if he just kicks back and starts running his mouth too much, says the wrong thing, is overly hawkish, meaning he is going to be more aggressive with his interest rate hikes, then the market will not do good. The market will go down even worse. Now, for those of you that don't know why the market's been going down every day, here at Stock Up, we prepared you for it. We could blame it. There's always a reason, but the reality is the same. This is a bad month. Just know that this is a bad month, and we will due for a 7 to 10% correction, if you ask me. Now, check this out. Someone here, Benzinga, on X here, X Twitter, it says, ARK Invest says NVIDIA has high valuations, which could indicate, look at this, investors are overvaluing the company, right? And at this time that they could be over evaluating the company. Now, NVIDIA I'm going to talk about ARK and NVIDIA. I actually bought both. Let's just go to ARK first. Reason why I bought ARK was, remember, for those of you that's been following me, I had 3 ETFs that I was buying, and ARK was one of them. ARK was a month ago, I was up 14% on ARK. Now I'm down 5% on ARK. So I tend to buy more of the ETFs that I'm down the most on, because I want to earn more and have more of this. I keep dollar cost averaging, as you guys know, every Friday, but I actually doubled down on ARK and VOO, which is the S&P 500. So those, as you guys know, I have it on set it and forget it. I buy them every Friday. All right. So now let's talk about NVIDIA. All right. So NVIDIA is reporting on Thursday. All right. I'm sorry, Wednesday. As you could see, NVIDIA is reporting on Wednesday. Now, for those of you want to know, see a good heat map and see when earnings are, then I suggest that you guys download the second link below, which is a Moo. This is Moo Monday, and they're going to give you up to 16 free stock depending on your deposit amount. All right, to the end of this month, just $100 to get you 5 free stocks and a $50 cash reward right off the bat. So today is Monday. NVIDIA's earnings is Wednesday. You guys know me, buy the rumor. I am the king of buy the rumor, sell the news. So I bought a contract on NVIDIA, one, because it was ridiculously expensive. All right, let's see if I could bring that up. Okay, let's talk about a few stocks. Let me go into some of my plays and we'll keep it going. All right, so NVIDIA, as you can see, I bought one contract, which was extremely high. I bought it just before making this video, and it has run up 12%. Now, I'm going to sell this. I'm not going to hold it. Today is Monday. I'm not even going to risk waiting until tomorrow. I'm going to take my 12% and run. So while we're talking about it, while I have this window up, remember on Friday's video, I said that I'm buying, right? And these are the things that I'm buying. I bought some Tesla, I bought some Sound, and I bought some Apple, right? And remember on Friday, they were all had ran up a little bit, but by the end of the day, they were all red. But I did not fear, I did not freak out, because for those of you that are looking to get into some of these plays, make sure you don't just pile all your money in. I'm just taking bite-sized pieces because I want the stock, not the options. I just want stock in these individual companies. And I believe that we will get the 7 to 10% this month into probably half of next month. But I also believe that we will close this year higher if we don't have a recession first, if the Fed doesn't drop the ball. All right, let's go back to these plays. All right, Tesla, I was down actually by 2%. Now I'm up by 3% on Tesla, and I'm going to be adding to my my positions as it goes down, not as it goes up. So as you could see, I believe it was Thursday is when I think I made that video on Thursday. Well, whenever it was down, I said I was buying. You guys remember, and I started to buy. And as you could see, I bought that contract of NVIDIA today. I also bought just the shares of Sound, SOUND. Josh and I talked about it, right? And when I bought it, I was red. When I shared it with you guys, it was red. So a lot of you bought it at even a better price than I did. And it is up 7%, and Apple down at the bottom. Now, X is something I just got into. That's a steel company, all right? And the only reason why I bought it is, and I'll probably sell it later, as you could see, it's a call option, but it expires when? On the 8th of September. It's a steel company, and they're talking about bids to buy it. So if they buy it, and if they buy it, then I expect the stock to go up. Why did I buy it today? Because the Dow was down and everything was beaten down today. So that's why I bought it. So let's look at the Dow. The Dow had a 300% swing today. Look at this. Look at that. -3. Look at that. -316. That was today. And actually, the swing was more than that, because post-market, the Dow was up 100 before the market even opened. So the Dow had a really big swing. And when the Dow comes down by 300 points, then I know that there's some buying opportunities. So that's why I bought X, based on a real-time news story that I just heard on CNBC. So I just bought some. Now, I also bought some BABA. All right. Ticker symbol BABA, which is Alibaba. All right. Now, remember on last week, I believe it was Friday, that Josh and I discussed how the Chinese stock, get beat down, and these become buying opportunities because of what's going on. And as you can see at the time of this, I'm just flat. I'm not up, I'm not down, I'm just flat. So ticker symbol BABA. I bought 3 contracts, as you could see, for $90 and 3 for $91. But my expiration dates are different. One is September 23rd, and the other is, September 15th, and the other is September 22. Now, why did I buy it? Again, it was already down on Thursday and Friday, and then the Dow was down another 300 points. Now, I could lose money on this. You do your own research. Never just follow myself or anybody without doing your due diligence. Anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell, but we are here to simply educate and to help you make money. All right. So people, someone asked, why do you keep mentioning recession? Because it's always looming. That's why. And I can't just be positive. Anybody that just want to hear positive news in the stock market, you're setting yourself up to lose all of your money. So what do? We trade the market that we are in. We listen and look at what the market is showing us, and we react there. All right. That's how we react. Let's go back to ARK, because I know a lot of people don't like ARK. And if you don't like ARK, you should never invest in a company you don't like. But ARK is big into AI, artificial intelligence. And as you could see, it has been trending what? Down, right? It's just been taking it. It's been tanking. 14 in the last month, down 14%, down 3% this week. And then 6 months, it's still up. And so I like to make green from the red. As they say, take oranges and make orange juice. All right. I take lemons and make lemonade. I like to take red and to turn it green. Listen, if I've said anything that has helped any of you in your trading or shine a light on anything, I want you guys to leave me a comment. But remember, I want you to do 3 things today, right? Number 1, if you need to learn more about trading, then come join Stock Up You. Stop losing money and understand the game that you're playing and understand the rules. Then you'll see how to make more money. Secondly, this is Moo Moo Monday. Download it, get the free stock. So if you deposit $100, you're getting that right back. All right. And you guys know what we're waiting on to start the portfolio there. We're waiting on this market to get right before we do that. All right. And lastly, if you're looking for ticker symbol HE, all right, Hawaiian Electric, that's going to be in this box. But most importantly, and I'm going to talk about this video all this week, I interviewed someone on the ground from Hawaii, Lahaina, Maui, Lahaina side of the island. And that video will appear in a box here to your upper right. Okay, please go over there and leave a comment because we need the algorithm to push it up. Lastly, the reason why on last week I said I was going to just pull back from making videos, I had to do some research and I found out exactly what's going on. You guys know I did the Oliver story, and you guys know I did the I'm Pissed videos and all of that, and I started to get punished, right? So here's why, very briefly. This platform, YouTube, has algorithms, right? And so if I'm talking about stocks, which is very neutral, and I'm in nothing controversial, then they find advertisers to run commercials on my videos, right? So someone else can be extremely left, and another page could be extremely right, and they could say whatever they want to say, and they don't get punished. Why? Because this platform, YouTube, which is owned by Google, will find advertisers that agree with those ideas. Get it? And so they already have the advertisers. And so now I start talking about controversial stuff, and now they're running the risk with their advertisers. These are not facts, but I'm pretty sure from my own research. So because of that, I'm going to every now and then bring stuff up, but I'm really going to stick to stocks on this page. And then my other page, which is simply Larry Jones TV, that's where I will be talking about other stuff outside of stock. I just want to just talk about whatever is on my mind on that page. It's mostly going to be positive, but whatever I want to talk about, with the exception of stocks, I will not be talking about stocks on that other page. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, good people. I love you guys. Make sure you go to this video and leave a comment. Okay, leave a comment on this video to help the algorithm out. And so I can't be mad at YouTube. I understand that they, have these things set in place. I thank God for this platform. I thank God for you. And I thank God that we can come together and make money and have a positive community. And we can also help other people, like this video over here. Okay, so go to the video in your upper right hand corner, leave a comment, and share it with your family and friends. I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.